très confident.
Confusion?
No, confident. Confident.
Je fais très confidente.
Means I feel confident.
Je me sens confiance.
Okay.
Se sentir.
Oh, yes, now I'm enjoying it. I'm liking it.
Okay. What did you do?
So basically, I revised the stuff. I was
Mm-hmm.
reading. I was practicing basically the pronunciation part. Then I focused on writing. Writing means like sentence formation, completing the grammar, and the verbs
Mm.
that you gave it for the homework. There were some new ones. So I wrote it down in the list of mine and prepared it and checked the conjugation with the help of Reverso website to get to know
I
about
have
it.
seen that you submitted, but does that help you? Does it give you more confidence?
Yep, like I have like
Conjugating.
kind of the more verbs. The thing is I need
Yeah.
to be regularly practice them, so I will have in my mind. But I'm finding some of the words that we are using for everyday's life, like the usual ones. So
Mm.
when I will get to the more, I might have I might will have some of the stuff ready with me.
C'est bien. Ça va, Akash?
Sawa. Mercy.
Okay. Très bien. We are starting today. First we will do a new form of verb that is imperative.
I did have a few questions. I
Okay.
was I requested a separate like a doubt session um,
Mm.
because and I thought it would be directed to you, but I'm asked to connect with Swami ma'am for some reason,
Mm-hmm.
which I don't know
Oh yeah,
why.
we can stay like after the class we can solve your doubts.
Actually, today I have a 8 o'clock session as well.
Mm-hmm.
I have a session right after our class today, so I can't stay today. So maybe if that's something, then I my doubts are not urgent. We can do it tomorrow as well.
Yeah, tomorrow like we can start 20 minutes early and we'll see if the doubts remain we can extend later or whatever. Okay?
Sure, I'll WhatsApp. We can coordinate on WhatsApp
Sure.
because I
Yeah.
don't know what time it will be and how it will work out. But yeah, so
Okay.
if you are like if I can just sort it out with you, then I don't need to meet anybody else. And
Yeah.
yeah, that'd be great.
Okay. Ça va. No problem. Version, do you have any doubts?
Oh,
Okay, très bien.
going pretty fine.
Okay, so imperative is the similar one imperative in English. Okay, we use this mode for instructions, advice, order. Okay, so basically we don't use the sujet exactly in the um in the sentence. Okay, we only use the imperative mode with tu, nu, and who, like with these persons, but we do not use the sujets. Okay, for example, ferme la porte, rentrons vite, and ne fumez pas. Okay, so this is very simple. It is similar to the conjugation of the normal verbs. We are just not using the sujet. Okay, être and avoir have very irregular conjugations here. Okay, for example, sois pas fier. meaning don't be proud of the sentence that I've typed. Okay? Swa is a true verb here. So, like that, you might have to learn the irregular verbs. Okay? Okay, I could also do no swapa fief, that would be good as well. But I have written a shorter version here. Okay, sometimes we can remove the no in many contexts, in many sentences, even you're
Okay, so
making the negative sentence. Yeah,
so basically this is without the subjects chooses, right?
correct.
Just a
Hmm.
normal sentence that we are making it, just without
Hmm.
you, no, and who. These are the
Exactly. It
three
is
ones
used
that
for,
gonna happen.
yes, the usage are just this instructions, advice, and order. Okay, like in English and Hindi as well, when we are using the imperative mood, we do not use the sujet. Okay, many times on, yeah, on any articles. Okay, for example, I have a Vicks Vapor Rub, apply on chest, throat, and back. So it's apply. It's not you apply or you should apply. Okay, it's directly. It's instructions for use. Okay, so I will give you a verb. Make a sentence. Oublier. Make a sentence using the imperative, both of you. I'm just typing a few verbs. Both of you should make the sentences. Ask for doubts, ask for help. You have to speak the sentences. Speak up.
No pa uble.
Okay. Add a complement.
No swa pa uble. I think it's wrong, but I'm just trying.
It's wrong. Okay, read these sentences, okay? Oublier is IR verb. Try to conjugate like this. This is with you, nu, and who.
Oublie la passé.
Oublie
Oublie
la.
la passé.
Okay, not bad.
Toujours allons la temple. Toujours
Oublie.
allons la temple.
Toujours
Toujours allons la temple.
aller à la temple.
Allons, like I'm saying for no, like no
Ah,
toujours,
allons,
allons la temple.
allons, there's a preposition there. Temple, féminin or masculin?
It should be femina and it should be
It's
two means.
masculin.
Oh, so it should be they love, right?
Allons, allons au temple.
AU, yes. Preposition for place. Ah, oh, sorry. Yep.
Akash, are you
Allons,
getting it?
No, is it because I should remember the conjugations of IR?
You should
Yeah,
know the conjugations, yes.
but I
And
also don't
also how to
know.
make a sentence.
Yeah,
You also don't know?
like how to place the parts of speech.
Hmm. Okay. Varshil, can you help him like that? Like, how do you concentrate? Like, how do you place the parts
So
of
sorry,
speech?
like when you mentioned that add a compliment, what did you mean? I had said no power
Add
of
a compliment. Huh. So, oublie le passé. Oublie is the verb, and le passé was the complement here.
what is
Okay,
that?
you have just okay. For example, in the sentences, okay, ferme la porte. Ferme is the verb, and la porte is the complement of the sentence. Okay, so there's something additional to the sentence which adds the meaning.
Okay, but what does le passé mean? La passé mean?
Past.
Okay.
and the last sentence that I made it was Pahle Jantil. Shantil. Pahle Shantil.
Gentimo. Gentimo.
Okay, yeah. Mo. M-O.
Okay, it's the adverb.
Yes. Pahle
Okay, can
Jantil.
you type it?
I will do. Yeah. I was just wondering for the last one, which is cell lever. In that one, it is basically to like it is in a reference of washing something, right?
No, that's so lave. This is lave.
Okay. Is it Liver? No, Laver, right? To wash.
So lave, yes.
And what does it mean of Slever? Cell lever.
So lave. To get up.
Okay.
Akash.
Yeah,
Ava,
yeah. Just
can you make one? Yeah. And for Solaway, Varshil.
Yes, ma'am.
Try. Yeah, try for Solaway. I will help you. I mean, I'll correct you later.
It is get up to get up, right?
Hmm.
Okay.
And remember for ER, we use ES in the end for Q, but it's just E.
Okay.
So past
So
continuous.
in just this one only, right? Only in the imperative, sorry.
Correct. For example, Akash,
Yeah.
n'oublie pas ton sac in the chat. Okay, don't forget your bag.
Okay.
Can I try? Or say
Hmm.
lave?
Se lever.
Yeah. So write it down. Se lave avance toujours.
Ah,
Avance. Avance, sorry. Avance. Every.
avant.
Early.
Okay. No, se lever would change.
Se lave. What you say? Se
Solo would
lave.
not remain solo is what I'm saying. So, for example, I'll give another example using another verb. Uh, the verb is se laver. Okay, for example, se
Okay.
laver. So, lave-toi tes dents.
Okay. Got it.
So, we are
So it,
using which pronoun? Pronotonic.
yes. So it could be lave avant toujours toi. Toi.
Wait, repeat.
Okay. It should be lave avant toujours toi.
No, I'm typing in the chat. Akash, I'll just get back to you. Okay, 1 minute. Are you understanding what I'm saying for se lever?
I didn't listen. I was trying to make this one.
Okay, I'm saying for a verb pronomino. Okay, this is the sentence. Lave-toi tes dents. So similarly, you make with this. Se lever. Your sentence is good. Just one little addition that I'm doing.
Okay. I'm sending you right now. Is it the right one?
Okay, Akash, I have just added one S in the end. Écoute toute sa information.
So why, just to understand, does adding an s make it plural?
Correct. So because toutes is plural, information also has to be plural.
Okay, but and again, I'm not comparing both the languages, but in English, information is like a collective noun, right? So
Yeah, here it is singular and plural both.
okay,
Levez-vous avance. Okay.
whenever there is
Early,
uh,
sorry.
so toots is actually an adjective over here, right?
Yeah,
So if adjective is plural, then the noun will also be plural.
correct.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
levez-vous tôt, toujours. Good. Okay. More sentences. Akash, do you want to try the survey?
No, no, not at this stage, not right now. I need to.
Try as okay.
I I have to catch up on a lot of things that have been going on, and
Mm-hmm.
I've been trying to catch up, but it's just been tough. So this is overwhelming already. I just make a point that whenever I can, I come to the class. but I
Hmm.
know that I'm not here yet. I need some more work to be done.
If you are missing the class, it's a good idea to watch the previous recording and come.
No, I watched all, like I don't miss any recording. I've watched them,
Okay, good.
but still, like it's also a lot of practice and self work. So
Correct.
I'm trying to catch up, and that's the reason I also requested like a one-on-one session. It's mostly to kind of get that guidance on how I can catch up faster and uh, how I can keep up with the ongoing classes and missed ups.
Okay. Okay. So, do you have any doubts with web pronomino and pronotonic?
So for in the last class when you did that activity toi in lesson 5, I did not get any of that. Um,
Okay, that we'll do. I'm just asking not your doubts, but the doubts with pronotonic and web pronomino.
yeah, for that, like for chronotonic, I didn't understand, like, so how it's used is, I know that it's for moi toi, it's like my, is it my,
No,
it's
it's me
it's
simply.
ordering, yeah, like me, I am French, so moi je le français, right? That's the
Mm,
example that but
correct.
what about loi and ux?
Lui.
Yeah,
Oh,
Louis and
yeah,
Lui
it's
and
them. Them.
okay. So that was, I think, that just because, see, this is what's happening, like I'm watching the recording, I'm making my notes and understanding that, but also to understand better, I need to use it, practice it, read it. So that is what
Oh,
is
that's
missing.
why I give you the homework as well.
Yeah, I missed out on last weeks, so
Couple
that's,
homeworks. Yeah, I know. It's all right. You get back on track slowly.
yeah.
It will be okay. Okay, have you read the lesson?
sorry, before we start, I just wanna like Akash told about the chronotonic, right? So just one question triggered into my mind suddenly. Is it something the chronotonic that we are using for for express like to express the possession or something? Like it's
No.
mind basically or something like that.
We do use, for example, we say c'est à moi. Okay, c'est à moi. In this context, in this sentence formation, I am using the pronotonic.
It is me.
It's mine.
Yeah, so it's basically to express the possession,
No,
kind of.
Mine would be
Not
more.
100%.
no. We know the possession one. What was the possession thing? Mes parents. We did this. It's adjective possessive.
Yeah, so that is
We did
more.
that.
More and me.
So why here we are using moi?
This is a pronoun. This is not adjective.
It is what does this translate to? It is me or it is mine?
It is mine.
So mine is possession, right?
If I do this, c'est moi, it means it's me. See,
Okay.
Akash, I
So
have been telling you not to translate. Okay, if you translate it in English, it is going to be confusing.
No, that even if you don't translate this one, like moi is moi, which is the pronoun, and mon or ma is the adjective possessive, right? So when you say c'est à moi, how it is mine? Is it is
It's
just the
just this.
language?
Hmm.
so
Yeah.
so if I'm not wrong, we are using this to make an impact in a sentence, basically, to insist more on something, to compare,
Hmm.
and to
Correct.
respond shortly. Like, of if I'm saying, who is the owner of this car? So
Hmm.
it should be, it's me. So it's same way,
Hmm.
same one, something like that.
Hmm.
If I'm not
Correct.
understanding wrong.
Hmm.
Okay, makes sense. So three uses of it to say
Hmm.
it more
That's the
insist.
three basic ones. Okay, there are further uses of chronotonic.
Okay, so I will
Hmm.
I will differentiate based on that one. I don't want to be more confused on that.
I don't think you need to know the, reasons. When you come across a sentence and it just makes sense, you don't have to know that, oh, this is this usage of this word. Doesn't have to be. I'm just letting you know so that when you are going into the concept, you might, notice, okay, but you don't have to know.
Okay,
Okay. Shava?
yeah,
Okay. Have you prepared this lesson?
yes. I tried to like go through all of them. I scanned it.
Hmm. Okay. Akash? Non, pas grave. Ok. On va faire activité 1.
So I found there. Is it something response of A?
Répondez is like respond.
No,
Okay. If you
respond,
notice these are also imperative.
yeah,
Observez la page.
instructions without.
Uh,
Correct.
Tres directe legends propose safaris.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Uh, Manyara.
Okay.
Dance pe Manyara.
Sorry, can you repeat the last words?
Dance pe Tanzani. Dance pe Tanzani.
Tanzanie. Ok. Ok. Très bien. B.
What is through
Trouve-t-on. Trouver is to find. Quelles informations trouve-t-on sur cette page?
Satpad information a safari schedule,
Mhm.
a safari picture, photograph.
Okay. Information is good, but your sentence is bad, Akash. Okay, so on trouve l'information sur le safari et quelques images.
Sorry, can you type that or say it again slowly?
On trouve quelques informations sur le safari et quelques images. Ok, ça va? Okay. I want you now to look at these five words here. Okay? Puis, ensuite, après, and d'abord. Okay, just note them down somewhere. Puis, ensuite, après, and d'abord. Ça va? Okay. Now, what we'll do, we will listen to the audio. Okay, I want you to listen, take notes, and we will discuss the questions. I won't be doing these activities here because they are a little complicated. You have to listen, take notes, and I will ask you some questions, okay? What it will be about is what the audio is about, and jitna bhi aap usme se, like, if you could repeat in Hindi or English is also fine. And just note down the important things, okay? I'm starting the audio. Okay.
I got the blank answers.
Mm-hmm. How was the audio? He was speaking very slowly.
He was, yeah, like he gave the whole schedule. He introduced himself first. Then after he said the safari park whole schedule, the what they're gonna do at what time,
Hmm.
basically. And I heard like I don't know, I heard that in the evening they're gonna have a dinner of Hakuna, like I don't know, Hakuna Matata or something.
Okay. Akash?
Yeah, I figured that he was giving us the schedule. He gave his introduction, and then he mentioned that he is French speaking. He also knows English and Swahili. He was he's from, not from, but he's been to Russia. Did he mention? I don't know if he
No,
did.
he's from Tanzania. He said Jashvi Tanzania.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Oh, yeah. So that part, and then he mentioned a little bit about whether, I don't know, but he was mentioning something about meals. So I don't know if it was for the participants, or was he talking about his own meals. But he definitely mentioned a lunch and
Hmm.
some. I think it was a part of the schedule.
Hmm.
On shoot picnic midday. Um, I have taken just like, I just wrote down the words that I understood and trying
Okay.
to make sense of it.
Sava. Okay. So he gave an hour by hour description. Okay. Have you noted down the hours? What are the times that he's talking?
I could not. I tried to, but I could not. This is the problem.
He
This is like,
was
listening is really scary for me at this point.
Hmm.
It's because the time by the time I process what they've said right now, like they've moved on so much, because I'm still trying to process. Like, I think it's just about immersing in the language, but I'm just not there. I'm trying.
I remember two just one was Midi, was Swa, and one was Sanka
Hmm.
was something like that.
Hmm.
So the three time
Okay.
which I remember.
I'll play it again. Just try to note down the times that they're saying. If possible, also note down the activities that he's doing at that time. Okay.
Okay, we'll try.
Okay. More important is the hours that for now. Sorry, I also wanted to discuss these words. Have you noted these words like in the audio? Did you listen? Okay, what are these words about?
One was on shoot picnic, which I think they said that on the way to picnic or at the picnic.
So basically, I
Okay.
am thinking these are the preposition that they are
Mm-hmm.
using for time durations.
It is for time, yes, and not for the way or something. Okay, these are for times.
Yeah, I know about two of them. I don't know about onsu and dabro. I know about pew and
Mm-hmm.
après. Après was
Okay,
after, pew was since.
okay, Sava. I am playing it again. Also note down where they are using your, okay?
Okay.
You can also fill in the blanks, yes. Okay.
I didn't get any time, but I just got the last two blanks.
Okay, we'll discuss the blanks later, the timings first.
I had something that they are having the lunch at after around 5-ish, like Sankar and Miti and Sis.
Yeah, 5:30. 5:30 they said.
Sankare Dami, he said, but do they have lunch at that time?
They might have a small lunch,
Small
basic.
meal,
At
small meal.
at 5.
Might be. Okay, the
Okay,
second one which I got it
was
was at
that
Midi.
5 heures et demie du matin ou après-midi? Was that 5:30 a.m. or p.m.?
Oh, it was AM.
AM.
Yeah, because he said that after that they are going to start the safari for the park.
Exactement. Okay, so he said, Je prends mon petit déjeuner à 5h30. Petit déjeuner means breakfast. Déjeuner means lunch.
They are doing something at
Okay.
the cafe at Midi.
Cafe, no. Okay, yeah.
They are doing
He
something at
said,
the cafe.
he said, at à 6 heures, il prépare le pique-nique pour le midi et thermos pour thé. et café. Ok, le pique-nique, il prépare le pique-nique pour midi et thermos pour thé ou café.
Oh, they'll prepare the thermos for the picnic at the cafe.
Thé ou café. Tea and coffee.
Tea and
Oh,
coffee at the cafe.
okay.
Not at the cafe.
And
They're in a safari. There's no
After
cafe.
the lunch. After the lunch.
Exactement.
okay.
So
So
he's preparing at 6. Okay. Je prépare le pique-nique pour midi. Okay, so for lunch he will prepare at midi as Caesar. Okay, he's saying that I am preparing at 6 for picnic at midi.
yeah.
Okay.
And I heard something they can return to the hotel around evening or something.
Quelle heure?
Yeah, I
À
just heard.
4 heures.
Sorry.
4 heures.
Cat. Okay.
The second rank is Catra, right? No?
No.
No, second
We
rank
have to
out of
we have
four.
to use all these from these four only. But I remember that I heard of Catra. I don't know what was that for.
Cat.
Yeah.
What is this? Cat.
Oh, Jeep. 4x4 Jeep.
They are
Exactement.
confusing it. Why? 4x4.
Cat.
I didn't understand. Like I didn't listen that. I don't know how you listen it.
Oh,
Cat
apne
I
cat
was
is the
just
cat.
focusing. I was just focusing on the timings and the blanks because I left the third one. So I was just focusing on that point that when it will come.
Okay. I want you to fill in the blanks here.
Should we say or just write it down?
Yeah, say.
Like I got first is Dabro, Dabro,
D'abord.
Dabo. The second I got is was P.
Mhm.
Third I got it was Onsi.
third was après.
Third was après.
And
The last one I got was
toi.
P. P.
Oui.
Oui.
Okay. So, d'abord, je prends mon petit déjeuner. D'abord means according to the sentence. What does it mean, d'abord?
When you bored,
D'abord, je prends mon petit déjeuner.
In the beginning or something?
Exactement. सबसे पहले. Je prends mon petit déjeuner vers 5h30, 6h moins le quart. And after that, it's ensuite. Okay, ensuite and puis are similar. Okay, so they can be used interchangeably. They
here
both of them mean next
or in general?
in general.
Okay.
What was the meaning of Dabo? Was in the
सबसे
beginning.
पहले, like first of all.
Okay.
And what is the meaning of puis and ensuite?
We ensuite are similar. Okay, then we said d'abord je prends mon petit déjeuner. Ensuite, vers 6h, je prépare le pique-nique.
No, but what is
Okay.
the meaning? They are similar, but
D'abord, je prends mon petit déjeuner. Ensuite, je prépare le pique-nique.
on the way.
Non.
Can you repeat it again? I just want to concentrate on the word.
D'abord, je prends mon petit déjeuner. Ensuite, je prépare le pique-nique.
Next.
Exactement.
Or after
Okay.
that, or maybe something.
Yeah. Then, after that. Next. Ok? Après le déjeuner, une petite sieste.
After the lunch.
Exactement. Ok? Puis,
That,
nous continuons la balade.
and since they're gonna continue the journey,
Puis is then, we just discussed. Okay?
the puis means since. Sorry, the puis
The
means
puis means since. And these are all adverbs, okay?
then.
Is this the first time we are doing adverbs in class?
I think, yeah. Okay,
Yes.
these indicate progression dans le temps. Okay? Ça va? C'est bien. Now, I just want you to just go through this at home. What we are, okay, good. What we're doing is activité 7. Okay? Je commence. Ça va?
I got some like I don't know. I missed on maybe I missed the second one, but I heard something was they're saying about C, the nerve where these nerve where.
Akash, what do you think? So you have to match the times with the days.
Yeah, I missed the first one. Second one was A, and
Okay.
third one was D.
Yeah, third
Third
one I
one was B or D.
D.
D
Delhi.
D the
Okay. Hmm. Okay. So what was the first one?
It could be A and C, but I missed it. I didn't hear.
I got first one as a. I don't I'm right or wrong.
It could have been no. It could. Sorry, I mean I got the second one as A. So first one could have been B.
Okay. First one is C. Second is A, and third are the remaining both B and D. They said 2 times for the Saturday.
Okay.
Miss it first and second.
Okay. Tava?
In the exam in the test like obviously the link like in TF they won't be asking such simple questions, right? So
They might, because there are questions related to telephone responder. Okay, there would be a recorded message on the telephone. वो सुनाई देगा, and there would be some questions related to that.
so in India when we do like board exams and exams in general, they give you like teachers give you everything like out of 40 questions 10 will be easy, they will be from this kind of questions, 8 will be like this, 6 so for our test will we be prepared, like what will be the level of questions, kind of questions and all that?
There would be type of questions, but we can't determine how many of these will be this type.
The level would be C1 for the listening
Yeah, you
because
need a higher level. Yeah.
as I researched, is that listening is the toughest part that people faces, and speaking and sorry, reading and writing are the easiest part which people might have in their mind. Maybe. It can be different for each.
Yeah, it depends on your preparation,
And
how
in
strong you are in each part.
speaking, it our speed doesn't matter, right? We don't need to speak as fast as they do.
No,
Right?
it's, it's normal. Yeah,
Okay, and the examiner will speak fast, right? Though, like in speaking, they'll
not
speak.
necessarily.
Depends on same as IELTS, right? If we
Mm,
had Indian people into the speaking, they're gonna speak fast. If there are foreigner people over there, they're gonna speak slow. Same as might be the concept over here.
yeah, possibly.
Okay.
Okay, I'm not thinking ahead. Sorry.
Yeah, we have a long way to go. Okay, so this we did a formal, a informal. Just go through it. I'll give you this for homework. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I wanted to give you some time to, okay, take 4 minutes and make your schedule. Okay, so what are you going to do when you are making your schedule? Two things I want you to do. What are the two things?
Decide the time and the activity.
Time and the activity, and what type of verb that you have to use specifically.
There would be future, Prosh. The nearest future that we are talking about. I'm gonna
Not
do this.
necessarily. That is your daily schedule.
Okay, we
So it
can do in
would
a
be in the
simple
present.
present,
Yeah. And one type of verb.
which should be ale.
No. One type of verb, not one verb.
Or one type of should be imperative.
Aviar, aviar, avoid, être.
Like those will be there by default. Verb pronomino. Pronominal verb.
Like mo, ma, and me, right? That one. No, that's adjective
Je
for
me, it's like je me lève à 6 heures. Okay? Je me brosse mes dents à 7 heures.
Oh, this is the activity. This is the homework.
Yeah, a little, yes.
I
I
had a
told
question.
you.
I was finding out the word literally. Yes. So is this the one that you just posted the homework about? Like not just 17th of October.
Like I had posted in our WhatsApp that I want to talk about our schedules on Monday. It is that.
No, like I'm also confused about the homework as well. Like, are we gonna conjugate the verb that's all we gonna do it as in three tenses? Present, future, future.
Which one? Which homework?
The homework of conjugate the following present, future, proche, passé, récent, save yourself,
Okay,
to brush. That one,
the one with
which is
Sobrose
going to
Samakie,
due
that one?
tomorrow. No, which
Yeah,
is gonna
yeah,
be due tomorrow.
correct.
It is something to brush, to put on makeup, which we don't do, to shave, to get up, to get angry.
Yeah, those are the verbs that are verb pronomino.
Okay, so it is something like that.
Correct. For example, okay, if I have to tell my schedule, okay, je me lève à 6 heures du matin. In fact, je me réveille à 6 heures du matin et puis je me lève à 7 heures de ma lit. Ok. Je me brosse mes dents, je prends le thé et puis j'ai le cours. J'ai le cours de français. Je prends les cours et puis je me lave, je me douche. Ok. Je me prépare pour la journée. Je prends mon petit déjeuner. Et puis, je vais au bureau. Okay?
I got the
Je vais
last
au bureau.
you go to the office. That's it. After something you go to the office. That's all.
You remember the main words.
Hmm.
Income sources.
So, I am telling you the routine. Okay? I say, je me brosse mes dents, je me douche, je me prépare, je m'habille. Okay? So, that you have to do. Now, we have wasted a lot of time today, but let's discuss this the first thing tomorrow. Okay? Right now, we have 2 minutes plus if we take extra. So, take a few minutes, make a few sentences, and
My
tell me.
head is already blasting today for some reason.
Okay, okay,
So
okay.
what happens is
No
that
worries.
when it's Monday over there, it's Sunday, right? Over here. So
Correct.
I try to spend a lot of time on French on Saturday and Sunday, and I'm almost
Mm-hmm.
fried by the end of this session. So I can't.
Right.
It's okay if you. I mean, if Varshil wants to continue, you can continue. But I am done for.
Okay, okay. No worries. You take your time, Akash.
Okay.
Thank you. Is there anything else that we'll be discussing?
And I'm going. I'll tell you about tomorrow. We have to do 5 and 6. Mm, We will not do this one. We'll do leçon the or for mistake. Hmm.
Are we gonna prepare 2 or 4?
Just give me a minute. I think we'll do the.
Okay.
Okay. We'll do leçon the.
Okay.
So prepare this for tomorrow.
Sawa.
Okay. And your schedule.
Schedule
Hmm.
is not scheduled yet. Okay.
Right.
Scheduled for tomorrow.
Yeah. No worries, we will do it. We will try it.
Hmm. Votre routine quotidienne. Okay.